All right, we're getting our baby washed. And the reason is I always clean it myself, but this little baby, I gotta clean it every day because he has a whole bunch of little crumbs back there and little French fries and all that stuff and all that ridiculous stuff that he's been eating. Other than that, yeah. Woo, this is like a ride for us. Yeah. Look, Logan. Oh, this is cool.
Wow.
Nice. I have to turn green now. Woo, yeah. Look at this. We can't see nothing now, but.
My baby must be happy.
I usually clean it every day. Oh, look at the cuckoo.
Look at Logan.
You like it? Woo, nice. Wow.
Oh my God.
This is fun, right? Well, it's worth the money.
They vacuumed and everything.
Wow, our baby looks so clean.
That's why I think our baby is happy in the car.
No, it's dark now. We can't see nothing. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh. Ooh, look at this. Look at Logan. He likes this.
I know, he's laughing.
You like it?
He's looking back and forth.
Ooh, look it. It's raining.
This car must be like, yes, thank you, because it's so hot outside. Right?
Yeah. Oh, now it's power blowing.
It's drying.
Oh, now they're gonna put this inside the thing, and then I guess we're gonna have to drive off.
I gotta pay them first, right? And then we drive.
No, after they dry the thing, we gotta pay them.
Oh, the guys dry it off.
Oh wow, nice. I guess this is it. Now we gotta put it on drive now. There you go. I guess we'll stop right here.